Good afternoon. Today we will review the bagging station for soft containers Big Bag Type DFSM series produced by Weighing Equipment Plant. This station is designed for packing soft containers such as big bags with bulk materials, with bulk density up to 2,500 kg per cubic meter, dose weight from 500 kg to 2 tons. The station of the DFSM series is a welded prefabricated metal structure consisting of a base frame movable frame with clamps for adjusting the working height from the weight frame, which are attached to the movable frame using strain gauges. Also on the weight frame are mounted hooks for putting on straps of a soft container. In the center of the movable frame, a dosing unit is mounted, which is a branch pipe of the upper part of which installed butterfly valve DN 250M. The lower part of the pipe is designed to fit the neck of the large bag soft container, locked with pneumatic clamps. In the upper part of the branch pipe of the dosing unit, a bag inflation system is installed, consisting of a supply and exhaust fan, a flexible hose, a pneumatic damper and a speed controller. Also, on the other hand, we can observe the outlet for the aspiration system, which also consists of a supply and exhaust fan, a pneumatic damper, a flexible hose and a speed controller. The control of the station is carried out using a weighing controller dosing VKD001 manufactured by a weighing equipment plant. And it is also worth noting that this station has passed all the tests and has the necessary certificates.